2010 is the year of the beginning of Dovinto, a viticulture and wine tourism project aligned with the respect for nature and the good use of natural resources as the fundamental objective in every step. We wanted our project to sustain itself in finding the biotic and abiotic tools that the environment proportioned to use them in favor of our goals. In this occasion, we will focus on the process of one of the fundamental points in our project, the viticulture or agriculture of the vine. Worldwide, it is known that the use of nocive agrochemicals and synthetic fertilizers brings several negative consequences to the biodiversity of ecosystems, the water and soil pollution, and the negative repercussions in the health of both workers and the population that consume these toxic foods. From the beginning, we determined 0 chemicals as nutrients, 0 poisons for plagues, 0 poisons for fungi, and 0 poisons like herbicides.
Analizamos sistemas de cultivo existentes, los tradicionales, que para nada eran una opción, y otros como el biodinamismo y cultivo orgánico. Y creo que nosotros podíamos aportar algo más que eso. Una idea novedosa, arriesgada, pero que después de 11 años de trabajarla te puedo decir que dio un excelente resultado. No solo en el desarrollo de la vid, sino en el producto, en el vino. Desarrollamos este nuevo sistema que le llamamos Eoib, por sus siglas Ecosistema Óptimo por Inducción Biológica.
In the natural cycle of life, there are always natural antagonists that prey on other living things. We studied the plagues and diseases that affect our vineyard the most and designed natural biological attacks against those threats with their natural enemies. The extraordinary thing is that these plagues, diseases, and threats for the vineyard are also bad for human beings. On the other hand, beneficial microorganisms that are great for plants are also great for humans. It is astonishing that by helping nature to accomplish the harvest, we are also helping ourselves as a product of good agricultural practices. In the same way, to substitute chemical fertilizers, we induce beneficial microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, nematodes, ascomycetes, mycorrhizae, earthworms, and other natural wastes that contain the nutrients of our interest to integrate them into the system as a model of natural biofertilization. The inoculation of the microorganisms is vital. Besides mineralizing the nutrients so that plants can absorb them, while we integrate them to the crops, they will create a symbiosis relationship where an exchange of nutrients will take place for mutual protection against pathogen attack. In particular, the addition of micro and microalgae to our preparations play a decisive role in the incorporation of trace elements, which are essential for the metabolic processes of plants. Also, these trace elements will end up on the grapes themselves, so that we can ingest them naturally. Thus, the need to make our objectives come true after 11 years of research and development, we can say that we have completed the task with better results each time. Once a clean agriculture has been achieved following this philosophy, we carry out viniculture with the minimum interventions and without chemical additions in the winemaking process. We direct processes to let the best winemaker in the world express itself in the wine, our precious vine plants. In the winery, our objective is to preserve the high levels of bionutrients, phenols, flavonoids, polyphenols, and anthocyanins and others so that they remain in their natural state until the final product. We take it very seriously. We empower plants within a healthy ecosystem for clean grapes and wines. We will always be committed to giving you the best of us, our congruence turned into wine.
Esto que te hemos presentado hoy es solo una parte de lo que hacemos para ofrecerte un vino excelente, con altos valores nutrimentales y con sabores que no vas a olvidar. Nos importa la naturaleza, el ecosistema, pero más nos importa tu salud y la mía. Te invito a que pruebes Dovinto. Salud.
Thank you for choosing us. Dovinto Wine Destination.